Well everybody, here we go. Sunday morning live, back here, Davis boardroom. Oh, it's been a busy week. I mean, there's been chicks hatching all over the place. So, let's get started. Let's tell you what's been happening. Run down last week and I was saying, nest number one. Nest number one young one hatched. Number two still hasn't laid. What do you do? Number three, obviously just checking, hen was off the nest there now, dead and shell. Eggs were full, didn't hatch. That happens. Number four, one full egg. I believe it could be a goldfinch mule egg, not sure. Number five has yet to hatch. Number six has hatched. Seven has hatched. 8 blank eggs. 9 has hatched. 10 has hatched. 11 has hatched. And 12 had blank eggs. 13 has hatched. 14 has hatched. 15 has hatched. 16 has hatched. 17 blank eggs. Good. Now, let's see. The Suskins, red poles sitting on eggs. Red poles sitting on eggs. Suskin hen sitting on eggs. Suskin hen laid and get off the eggs. The other hen hasn't built yet. The hen at the bottom had built and laid eggs and got off them. So they're doing something, they're not settled, they are settled. Red poles up in the top, probably due to hatch today, tomorrow. So we'll probably get a look at them next week and see what's happening. But here, I'll take these over. Come with me. Let's see what's happening here. Get a closer look. This pair, blank eggs. So took the eggs away, let her go down again. This girl has young ones hatched. Is there a young one there? Look at that. This hen has 2 young birds. They're wrong. So a red ivory Isabel, 2 young ones hatched and wrong. Move across here, an intensive red ivory Isabel hen. Actually one of my red ivory Isabel Kobo projects. She has a couple hatched I believe. So far so good. Let's move up to the next one. Next one is my red ivory. She has 3 hatched. So far doing grand. So this is pair number 12. They're all blank eggs. Right, let's move up to pair number 11. Pair number 11 we have an intensive hen, ticked hen, with a non-intensive ticked cockbird. In the nest we have, let's see if we get a look here. In the nest we have, let's see, there's 4 young ones in there. Now they're rung, so that's number 1, 2, 3 and 4 ring numbers. So there are 4 of them, 3 of them are heavy variegated and 1 clear. So let's go to pair number 11, a non-intensive cockbird. We'll just move across, and he's with an intensive variegated hen. I'm going to open up. And what have we? She has 2 young birds. And in cage number 9, we have an intensive red variegated. She's with a non-intensive. Better get closer. Come on. Bad. So she has 2 young birds in the nest. Doing well. And down at the bottom we had cage number 8, had blank eggs. Pair number 7, which was an intensive red variegated hen to a non-intensive cockbird. Let's see what we have here. So there's variegated young ones there. I think 3 young variegated. Cage number 7. And in cage number 8, a non-intensive cockbird to an intensive hen. Let's see what's in here. Come on, Garrett. You know, I haven't been doing this all year. Lifting up the boxes and looking in to see what's been happening. Let's see, Garrett. So I think that's a single young one. Yeah, 1 single young one. Cage 5 hasn't hatched yet. A non-intensive cockbird to an intensive hen. And cage 4, nothing much happening. Cage 3, 2 variegated. These are all dead in shell. Cage 2, she never laid yet. And cage 1 has a single young one hatched. So that is what's been happening here. David's boardroom, Sunday morning, Sunday the 7th of May. Next week, I think most of whatever has been hatched there, we'll get them rung and we'll let you see how things are being progressing. A quick look at what's been happening, a quick sort of rundown of what's been happening outside in the flights. The Saskin hen in the corner, I looked yesterday evening because she was due to hatch. I looked yesterday evening, 5 eggs. Unfortunately, 4 of the eggs were blank and 1 has hatched. Mealy red pole, 5 eggs, 5 blank. Another pair of millies has laid and got off the eggs. So they're really just messing about out there. There's another pair of millies sitting on eggs. I never checked in to see if they were full or not. So they're slow on the outside aviaries, but here we'll see what's been happening. We'll get you back next week, let you see what's been happening in the outdoor aviaries here, David's boardroom. Hope you all have been keeping well. Look forward to seeing and how you've all been doing out there with all your birds. I see some beautiful, beautiful chicks on the perch. A lot is doing really well. Some lovely numbers, some lovely birds. So we'll get back, have a look at yours. We'll get back, have a look at mine. Everybody, take care. See you all next week again. Bye-bye from David's boardroom.